Yes, I want to say good day to everyone and everybody that's watching this my video. You may like it, you may not like it, but there's a little thing that I want to let everybody and everyone to know. Very important. You see, today, I know that everybody is crying for coronavirus, but today, coronavirus is gone. But what I would say now is the killing of our black brother. Is the killing of our black brother. But there's some things that piss me off so much. Let me say, permit me to say that yes, we the black people, we are the cause of our problem because we have given the white people the privilege to molest us, to oppress us. Because we have given them the chance to know who we are. We have already shown them and give them our secrets and let them know our secrets, how we live. Just for example, let me go back to our home base, which is Africa. If we show love to ourselves, which the black people, I don't think that the white people will molest us. Today we are crying for racism. We are crying for racism. Yes, it's good to cry for racism. But have you think back, what about the tribalism? Have we talked about the tribalism? How many of you can care about your black brother, which is African brother? Have you cared for them? Have you related to them? Have you made friendship to them? Have you taken them as your own blood brother? Oh, come on, let's talk about that before we talk about racism. You will see your fellow brother, just for example, I came from Nigeria. Let me see, Delta State, precise. You will see a man from a state you want to play with, your father will call you and say, man, son, don't play with that man, he's not your brother, he's from another state. Or a man from north, from Kano, will call you and say, don't play with that boy, he's not your brother, he's from another state. Or a man from outside land, you come and say, well, don't play with that boy, he's from another state, it's not your brother. Come on, what is the meaning of that? Is it not tribalism? What are we fighting for? What are we fighting for? Which is so bad. Forget about tribalism. And let's live as one. And let's live as brothers and sisters. Very important. Very important. We don't have to think about that. The only thing we have to think about the Christ that created you and I. And forget about tribalism. Before you were being born and created to this earth, do you know about the tribe? Do you know about the language? Then what are you talking about? Why are you dragging your children out away from another tribe? That is not your brother, that is not your tribe. You have to stay away from them, which is very bad. I can say this thing that's going around it started from our forefathers. And we are teaching our children. We are teaching our children. As we are letting our children know about this, how are we going to teach our children about that? This is not the time for we to teach our children those bad attitudes. It's very wrong. We have to teach them about relationship. Teach them about good things. Teach them how to relate with people and grow with people. Not about thinking about tribalism that is not your brother. Can you tell me where that is written in the Bible? Where Christ created all of us to this earth. Tell me where tribalism is written in the Bible. If you can tell me that and show me the verse, then I will say yes, tribalism is existing. Come on, let's talk about that. It's not good. We are crying today about racism. That the whites don't like black, white don't like black. You as the black, have you loved your brother? Have you loved your sister? That is the same color with you? That you are crying that white doesn't like you. Oh, come on, brother. Let us forget about that. This attitude is so bad. It's taking us back. If our forefathers teach us that, we have to grow. We have learned a lot of things. This is not old generation. This is new generation. You have to teach our children. Let our children know that no, those bad attitudes, what they taught us years back, that's just not the truth. Let's talk about the truth. Because we are now in the new generation. We are facing the new generation. We are no longer in the old generation. Which is very important for we to know about that. Because I have to say I'm very sorry for coming out for a live to do a live video. Because I've seen a lot of things that is going around the world today. I feel so bad. I shed tears concerning that. I said, no, this is not how this life is supposed to be going. We are one. We're supposed to be in one under umbrella, living life as one. Do things accordingly. There's no how Christ. This is not how Jesus wants us to live. There's not the way to live. I don't love you, don't love me, I don't love that, don't love that. That's why you see killing, fighting is everywhere. Then how do you expect the white people seeing us today to look at us? When we have already shown our attitude and our behavior today. Come on, our leaders, our young men, our young ladies, let us change our attitude. And let us do the right thing. For the world to see that yes, we black people love ourselves. Let us love ourselves. Go to other continents. They love themselves. Because they think that as far as they are the same white color, they love themselves. But why can't we, the black people, love ourselves? Despite we are not from the same country, but as far as we are in the same continent, as far as we are the same black people, why can't us love ourselves? Every day and night, I shed tears, I cry for many things that is happening around the world, especially the black people. Brother, let us change our attitude. Let us build our relationship. And let us build our friendship with the black people. Because black are great people. Black are great nation. Black people are great continents. Which the white people are supposed to be looking at us as the great people to the world today. But we molest everything. We the black people, we the black nation, we are the nation that the world is supposed to be talking about. When we look where we are coming from, when we look our nation, when we look our continent, we know that yeah, we are the great black nation to the world. But I can say our leaders, our forefathers, they lost their senses. They sold our rights to white people. That's where we cannot find where we are to the world today. But we will make a way. We will make a way to be on top to the world. Because we are not animal. We are human. So, brothers and sisters, my fellow black people, I love black. I'm proud to be black. I'm proud to be black. I cannot deny my color. I cannot deny to be a black. I still remain a black that come from a black nation. Let us rise up and show to the world that yes, we are great people. We love ourselves. Let us embrace peace. We have to embrace peace and love. Let us embrace peace and love. Peace and love. We can stand as a great nation. Peace and love. Let's love one. Let's love each other. Let's embrace peace and love. Also love your brother the way you love yourself. You cannot hate yourself. You love yourself. So also love your fellow black person. Also love your fellow black people the way you love yourself. We are great people. We are great people. Let us build our love to each other. Thank you. Love you, my brother. Please, when you share this video, when you see this video, please share. Go to my YouTube. My YouTube channel is Choose B. Click on it, search for me. I have a lot of message. I don't put my message and everything on Facebook, but all my message and everything is on YouTube, on Instagram. But if you want to see more, go to YouTube, Choose B. I'm there to see you, brother. Anything you see, comment, put your comment there, and anything you want to contribute, you can also add your comment and everything. Then the next video, we will know what to say. Thank you, love you all.